Hi guys, this is the Ginger Fan Man 92 here. I'm coming at you today with another ceiling fan video. This is a Craftmade CXL ceiling fan in the white and polished brass finish. There is a small backstory on how I had acquired this fan. This fan has been in my collection for about 4 years now. This was one of the first fans I ever started collecting back in 2019. I had got this fan at Habitat alongside with a footprint vent, and I got them for about 50 bucks. Both of them for about 50 bucks. But I'm just now getting around to testing this fan. I do know the CXL is a pretty common fan. A lot of them are usually seen in Cracker Barrel restaurants, especially in the 4 or 5 blade variants. Usually in the bronze-ish finish. I can't even exactly know what finish that exactly is, but these fans are pretty common. They're the most common kind of builder fans you do see in more modern upscale homes, especially in the 90s. You definitely see a lot of these fans. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the details of this fan. So here we go. And if you can see the motor tag here, this fan dates to the second quarter of 1997. It may be February, if that is correct on how they date these things. But this fan's definitely, it is 26 years old. But it looks really well. Despite some sticker residue, thanks to the Habitat putting stickers, their price stickers on the bottom of fans. I don't know why they even do that to begin with, but it is what it is. And I also wanted to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Yes, I haven't been able to post a 300 subscriber special, but just for this, I might as well go ahead and say happy 300 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and power this fan up on low. As you see, it's a beautiful fan. Got a nice little low speed, the polished brass and the white suit this fan perfectly. I think over time I may end up making this a permanent install. I don't know if I want to make it a permanent install in here, but if I were to, I definitely feel like this would be a great fit. Definitely gives the 90s decor a big pop. Especially my apartment, where it's pretty much a 90s-esque. It's a late 90s apartment, so it fits the style very perfectly. All right, let's go ahead and turn her up to medium. And these fans do use a 188 by 20 millimeter motor. It's definitely a pretty powerful fan. And I believe these were made, I can't remember Craftmade's OEM. I know there is another video of this fan on another channel, and he did say the factory made for it. I just can't think of it off the top of my head at this current time. But as you see, this fan's definitely blowing a little bit of air, especially on medium speed. And it's definitely got a nice look to it too. I really like it. Well, anyways, let me go ahead and power this sucker up on high and see what she really does. And another good thing about these fans is they are 4-5 blade adaptable. So you can either do this with 4 blades or 5 blades. I am doing the 5 blade option. I may make a video for the 4 blade as well, but stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it. And she is definitely blowing some air on high. I definitely can feel this sucker moving. Holy goodness. I mean, it's not as fast as my Dixie Belle, but it's definitely got some air movement. I can see my blinds rustling in the background. But she's definitely a good fan. Whoever had this fan prior to me owning it definitely took really good care of it. Except for the few scuffs, probably because of the habitat bin it was in. Otherwise, this fan's pretty much in great shape. But when I had got this fan, it was hanging on the display at Habitat, and it was displayed in a window display. My footprint vent that I got along with this fan was displayed on a table immediately below this one. I had got this fan back in 2019, pre-COVID, back when Habitat actually had some good fans. And now it seems like anytime you find fans at Habitat, it's usually some cheap junk or something that's overpriced for like overpriced, and it's performs like doo-doo. But let me go ahead and power this down and see the spin down of this. Goodness, look at this spin down go. Definitely has a good spin down rate. And the bearings definitely seem to be very silent in this fan, which is awesome. And the one cool thing I will say I like about the CXL is the fact you can actually get different kind of blades for these. I believe you can do the rounded tip ones as well, which honestly would be kind of cool, because I have seen the rounded tip blade ones before in polished brass. And these fans definitely came in quite a few finishes. I'm not exactly 100% on which finishes they did come in, but I know they came in white and brass, antique brass, polished brass. I believe they came in brushed nickel. I don't remember if chrome was a finish on them. I'm not 100% on that. I know they came in bronze and I believe black, but like I said, I'm not 100% on the exact finish as these exactly came in. I know you could get these with the pointed tip blades. I believe the rounded tip and the square tip blades that Craftmade offered back then. But as you see, this one has the white pointed tip blades, and these blades are non-reversible. As you see, this fan's coming to a complete stop. Just keep on coasting. I am not going to be doing a reverse function on this fan just because you guys seen me do these reverses plenty of times, so you know what a fan would look like in reverse. But yeah, anyways, thank you for all you guys that have liked and subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. The Ginger Fan Man 92 here, and y'all have a great day.